See, I know what most of you are thinking. He's back with the GT210 again, but there's been some slight modifications. Now, obviously, this card is meant for light, and I mean very light. It has 1 gig of VRAM. It might not even have that. I think it has 512 megs. We're going to try it in some games of its era and see how well it holds up today. The first major issue I'm having with this thing is there isn't like a functional driver for this card. I am going to try and restart and see what happens if it still does this or if it actually works, but I think that the driver for this no longer exists, and well, yeah, it clearly isn't installing. So I'm going to try again and I'll update you then. So we're now back in OBS and I'm going to try and get this driver to install again. It seems very unlikely that it will actually install, but for the sake of the video we'll try again so that the video can reach a longer format. This is promising. Where'd it go? Oh, maybe. This is where it usually fails. The card is actually in and we are using it. Maybe this time it works. This graphics card, I wouldn't even call it a graphics card. It's more of a HDMI card. So that you can have HDMI on a PC that doesn't potentially have it. Check Task Manager, see if it's showing up. What in the baloney is going on here? Oh, okay. Is it frozen? OBS is using a lot of system resources. Maybe if I change my OBS, hold on. Okay, I don't know if that has changed anything, but hopefully it has. No, it hasn't. Hold on, I'll stop recording and start recording again. I'm not sure if this is frozen or not. I think it has, but we'll wait it out. It's fine. Let's check if it comes up in NZXT Cam. See if it's come up yet. The only potential other option I can think of would be to use the Microsoft Basic Display Adapter driver, because this seems to be, yeah, it just wasn't happy at all, was it? Let's try it again, see what happens. It can never go wrong, really. Something's happening. Let's not freeze again, please, NVIDIA. Oh, it's working. This is where it failed last time now. Oh, it's working this time. Okay. Oh, okay. GeForce Experience is not installed. I think we're just going to have to use the display driver. It's fine. Can I up the resolution? Holy smokes, what is using up my entire CPU? Oh, who could have guessed? Can I up this anymore? Yeah, okay. Much better. This it fine in OBS still, or is it gonna crash out on me because I've changed it? Okay, so the first one I want to kind of try is Gary's mod, because Gary's mod was around at the same time as this card. So, and I have Gary's mod installed already. And the other one that I would like to try is the plutonium version of Black Ops. Now, pause this because this probably uses a ton of CPU. One frame per second. I didn't expect much, but 1 frame per second. Okay, getting 100 frames per second. We should probably open MSI Afterburner and Rivia Tuna Statistics server. We're looking, that's not too bad. I mean, considering it has the same thermal paste as when it was produced. Okay, let's get that on, and then close this, and then we can reopen Gary's mod. I think we're going to have quite a promising run with Gary's mod, because Gary's mod seems to run quite well on pretty much anything. 19 FPS, 100 FPS. Do we have any decent video settings? We'll up the frame rate limit to 300. 16:9 aspect ratio. Doesn't like that at all. I don't think this is going to run too bad on here actually. Advanced graphics. Everything's on pretty much high. Let's just put everything on. Okay, we dipped in FPS a little bit, not much though. Oh wait, hold on. We have dipped quite a lot. I still don't think 10 FPS is awful for the generation of this card. This is also on max settings, like. Okay. Can I move around? Yeah, I can move around. Let's turn the graphics down, because I didn't expect it to be able to run it at max settings, because this was a budget card at the time when it came out. What about medium? I'll turn this down, because I imagine this is probably quite high. Okay. Is this any better? Okay. This is seemingly a bit better. Mind you, the mouse isn't working. I'm not sure entirely why, but we'll keep trying to play it. Well, now it's working. Okay, so these settings, potentially this card would have been a very low-end card when it came out, as far as I'm aware. So we'll push everything down, it's fine. Turn off anti-analyzing, motion blur, definitely. I think the reflections probably cause a lot of this. And I think I would be right to assume so. Oh. Something's happened. It's frozen, I think. I think we've frozen. I know this game is very CPU demanding, so I'm not quite sure why the... Oh. I told you to stop updating. Why are you updating? Let's try again, because I think that was just because I was messing with the settings too much. Okay. 2 FPS. 1,000 milliseconds of response time. I think this is just because it's downloading add-ons.
Okay, 21 FPS. Bad. Source game. Oh, the stuttering is. Can we spawn something in, like a vehicle? I can't really see anything because this is over everything, but vehicles. Spawn in a vehicle. Helicopter. Does it fly? It seems most of it is missing. Gravity gun. Okay, that's the wrong one. It's the physics gun that I want. This is running pretty bad, but I don't know if it's because of the advanced physics in this game. Because obviously it's not a very graphically demanding game, so I'm thinking it might be something to do with the actual, like, the fact that this can't do many calculations. Well, let's try something else. Because when I play Garry's Mod, I like to get something like a bathtub or and then fly around on it. We'll try it. I mean, I'm not sure how much power this is pulling because I genuinely cannot see. It is unbelievably slow, and also for some reason I can't install a driver, so it won't show up for review tuner. It has no idea what it is, other than a Microsoft Virtual Basic Display adapter. Okay, we can fly. Yippee! Oh, having some issues. I think the issue is that this is like a 2000s graphics card. What are we looking like in terms of temperature?